So this is a small demo using an Arduino board Wi-Fi. This is Arduino One R4, and I'm connecting it to a PlayStation 1. It's actually getting data through the Wi-Fi to the Arduino board. So if I load the state, the player HP is there, which is 100, and every time I get hit by the zombie, the HP will decrease in the Arduino. And for example, let's load the state once again. I can just take damage there. That's it. I don't know if I've got any healing items, but I'm going to try now. So if I stop it, I think I can make I can make a healing item. Shit. I can just use it, and as you can see, the HP just changed.